I've used flashcards since I was in college. Finals, big presentations, whenever I need to absorb lots of new information. With reMarkable, I can use that same technique to further my career. There's just something about the act of drawing flashcards and taking handwritten notes that helps me remember. I think that hand-brain connection is something we risk losing when everything goes digital. I always challenge myself to keep my presentations free of visual clutter and rehearse until I find my own words, my own rhythm. Because it's not just about improving my memory, it's about being able to internalize knowledge. I know I'm prepared when I feel like I'm just talking, not presenting. When I can focus on my audience and deliver my message with confidence and poise. We're learning something new together.